Hey guys, just doing another little backyard barbecue, and again I have my chips underneath, right, on my $99 gas grill here. I have some pork steaks, and again a lot of people they like to go fast because they're hungry. But this is not a fast thing. This is doing it right. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Low and slow at this point. We're getting some nice flavor. Look at this. See? It's just going to melt in my mouth. I'm using the New Hampshire steak seasoning on these, as everybody wants. And I'm gonna almost ready for these to come off. A lot of people say, how can you tell? Well, use your finger, and if it doesn't bounce back that much, you're pretty good, you know. You're better off not overdoing it. You know, you can always put it on for a little bit more, and versus you can't back out of overdoing it. You know, medium well on the pork, and it'll finish off as it sits. Look at that. This is just a little bit of the New Hampshire smoke seasoning rub, and that's it. So I think we're good. I'm going to shut this down. I'm going to let it all rest. Let that wood do its number. And thanks for coming. Talk to you soon.